Hey there, this is Manny with CFO Services Group, bringing you some more tips to help you through this situation right now. So my next tip is something that you do need to do, and it's going to follow from my tip from yesterday. So you do need to be updating your financial and cash forecast on a regular basis. So what I talked about yesterday was updating your sales forecast. And by updating your sales forecast, we can see how much money you're projected to bring into the business. With that information, now we can update the rest of your financial forecast and also your cash forecast to see how your business is really projected to do. Will you be heading for a loss or will you be okay? You don't really know until you update your projections. Any decision that you make that you don't check your financials against is going to be pure guesswork on your part, okay? It's going to be an emotional decision that's not based on fact. And this is not the time to be making emotional decisions, as I mentioned in my very first point about not panicking. You really want to make decisions from a factual standpoint right now. So we really want to make sure that we have all the facts and that we make good educated decisions, which have to come from reviewing your financial projections. Okay. Once we update your projections, then we're going to see what your business really looks like, and then we can start making important decisions. And one of those decisions, by the way, can be to cut expenses. So yes, you do have my permission to cut expenses during this time, but we only want to do that if we absolutely have to. So the way you're going to know is if you do the projections and you see what your business is going to look like, and then we do a simulated cut on paper to see what is it going to look like if we make this cut, and also how is it going to have a ripple effect throughout my business. So if I cut a certain expense, how's that going to affect other things in my business? We update our projections on paper, then we assess the situation and see, is this something that we're okay with? If we're okay with it, then we go ahead and cut. If we're not okay with it, then we don't want to do it. So we have to use our financial projections. It is probably the most important tool that you have at this point to get you through this situation. Okay, so if you need help doing this, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you. My team's here to help you. And we will talk to you tomorrow.